County employees are losing their jobs, but that's not stopping Maricopa County from spending $347 million on a new court tower. Tonight, ABC 15 investigator Josh Bernstein exposes a conflict of interest and shroud of secrecy surrounding the project.
It's the largest construction project in Maricopa County history. More than $340 million for a new state-of-the-art courthouse, while more than 1,000 county employees are losing their jobs.
It's like an expensive luxury hotel.
The project and its price tag are under criminal investigation, but it's the apparent conflict of interest uncovered by ABC 15 that have a prominent watchdog group completely baffled.
This is a flagrant abuse of public trust.
Clint Bolick is an attorney with the Goldwater Institute.
Here, there are not just appearances, there are obvious improprieties.
Bolick is talking about this man. Tom Irvin is an attorney whose firm is being paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to represent both the Maricopa County Board of Supervisors who are funding the project and the Superior Court who will occupy the building.
I think it is a blatant conflict of interest.
Bolick, a former attorney with the Department of Justice, says,
You don't represent one party when you have a financial interest in the other party's endeavors.
Do you see that as a conflict of interest?
He's Maricopa County Supervisor Andy Canasek.
I really don't, not at this time. I think he's done a good job for the board.
Excuse me, Mr. Irvin?
Irvin and his firm, who have declined our repeated requests for comment,
We want to ask you some questions about your billings on the court tower project.
have been paid more than $800,000 by the courts in the last 3 years. For what? There's no way to tell.
Can the taxpayer tell anything from this?
Absolutely not. You would not even have the slightest idea of what project the attorney was involved in, much less what the attorney was actually doing for the county on the taxpayer's dime.
That's because entire pages have been redacted, black lines hiding everything.
Well, they received hand delivery of, we don't know. They met with, we don't know. And why is any of this secret? What does the county have to hide?
And that's not all. Irvin's contract with the courts was never put out for bid. According to documents obtained by ABC 15, the courts are taking advantage of an accepted practice, piggybacking off Irvin's contracts with the city of Phoenix and the Arizona Attorney General's office, where Irvin's wife is an attorney under its executive staff.
The more I see, the more worried I am that there's a serious issue going on here.
We've done things the right way,
Says County Supervisor Mary Rose Wilcox.
Do you have any concern about an ongoing criminal investigation into the $340 million court tower project?
considering we have no idea what he's investigating. I really don't.
Both Attorney General Terry Goddard and Presiding Judge Barbara Mundell have declined our repeated requests for comment. Meanwhile, the county is still refusing ABC 15 and you, the taxpayer, access to thousands of public records that are being kept behind locked doors in this office on the 3rd floor of the county administration building. Let us know what you think by posting a comment online at abc15.com. We've also posted copies of all the redacted information provided by the courts. Simply click on the Investigations tab at the top of your screen. I'm investigator Josh Bernstein, ABC 15 News.
Meantime, it is important to note ABC 15, along with several other media outlets, have been involved with offering input on how to make the new court tower as accessible as possible for the media. Caught on tape as we look around the nation to